Hello, welcome to Renovate Mind Life Coaching. I'm Muhammad Hashmatullah Khan. Today we are going to discuss about our brain health. You might be wondering that usually people used to talk about our own health. Today we will be discussing how to optimal brain health. Means we should know about how to increase our brain health. So today I'm going to discuss 10 keys to optimal brain health. One third of your brain is fixed. One third of your brain is fixed, but two-third of total brain is under your control. Two-third of your brain is totally under your control. So what are the 10 keys to optimal brain health? So to increase your brain health, what are the 10 keys? First key is a good diet. You are what you eat. Means like you are what you eat. So eat the right brain food like avocado, grain veggie, salmon fish, turmeric, and so on. There are 10, 15 brain diets, or you can utilize them. Avocado is also there, avocado, and all those things. So listen to our episode, which is going to come in the next session, inshallah. So moving on to the next key element is killing ants, ants. This is from Dr. Daniel Ammons, author of Using Your Brain to Change Your Age. Ants are automatic negative thought. Basically, negative thoughts are very, very, very dangerous for our brain. If we are not able to sabotage that, it will kill us. Like, I'm not smart enough, or I have a bad memory. I read in a book once that your brain is a supercomputer and your self talk is the program it will run. So, program your computer well. Remember, your mind is always eavesdropping on your self talk. And if you fight for your limitation, you get to keep them. If you fight for your limitation, you get to keep them. Third, exercise. Do daily exercise. As your body moves, your brain grows. Researchers proves that anything that's good for your brain or for your heart is good for your head. People who exercise have better blood flow and oxygen in their brain and perform better on mental acuity test. Fourth one, brain nutrition. If you have a fast lifestyle and you don't get to the nutrition you need from your diet, you can help your brain with the right supplements. So go for the supplement if you don't have the right things. And fifth key element for optimal brain health is positive peer group. It's very important. You should have a positive peer group like your friends who helps you in these things. That is, your brain potential is enhanced by your social network. Who you are spend time with is who you become. Who you spend time with is who you become. So make sure the people you are spending time with are good for your brain and your life, even though with your TV, mobile applications, YouTube, Facebook, everything counts in this positive peer group. And sixth one is clean environment. Don't you focus better what when you have a uncluttered desk? Your external world is a reflection of your internal body. Your external world is a reflection of your internal world. So be careful about your external world as well as your internal world. Sleep. 7 point. Exercise breaks down muscles. Sleep regenerate them. Exercise break down your muscle. Sleep regenerates them. A good night's sleep will help you focus, think more clearly, focus, and make better decisions. It's always essential for your memory because during your sleep is when your consolidated short to long term memory, your unconscious mind will consolidate short term memory into the long term memory. So it's very important. You should focus on sleep. And 8 point, that is brain protection. Your brain is resilient but also very fragile. Protect your most valuable asset by avoiding extreme sports and always wearing a helmet. What do you mean by that? So always protect your brain. So it's very important to avoid from unwanted things which is coming to your mind. Point number 9, new learning. You can grow older, but you can grow better. You can create a new brain cells through neurogenesis until the day you die. Neuroplasticity is your brain ability to create a new connection. Einstein says did not have a bigger brain. Einstein doesn't have a bigger brain, but he did have more connection than most people. So the keys for the neuroplasticity are nutrients and novelty. You want to add stress and stimulus via exercise and nutrient via new learning. In fact, a famous study done on nuns found they remain agile as they grew old, partly because of their faith and partly because of their lifelong learning. Stress management, the final thing. That is, when you are stressed, you go into the flight or fight mode and release cortisol and adrenaline. This is the good if you need to flee a tiger, but not if you need to take a test or present. Nowadays, we are more stressed than ever, so stress management is crucial. This all are common sense, but is not so common practice. Pay attention, focus. What are you good at? What are you neglecting? Then you will come to know it exactly. So tune up with the Renovate Mind Life Coaching for the next episode. Thanks for listening. Your coach Muhammad Ashmatullah Khan.